This is a tutorial on the dad mold, the fishing one from Natoli's Creations. You can use save to save 10%. I chose to do blue and yellow on this so that in the middle it'll mix into green. So you're going to add your first color. You want to make sure that it's thick enough on the sides, and then you're going to spread just a couple of beads out into the middle, and that's what's going to make your colors blend. Add the second color and make sure that it overlaps in the middle, flatten it out, and then you're ready to bake it. I bake it for 325 degrees for 20 minutes. Again, you'll want to make sure all the beads are even so that it cooks right. Now that it's cooled off, you're ready to add your designs. I use Sharpie oil-based paint pens. I like to start with their bold because that makes coloring it a lot faster. So I go through and do all of the main details, and then once I've done the main big parts, I fix it with a fine paint pen so that I can get all of the smaller details. This mold has been really popular, especially around Father's Day. So this is one that I would highly recommend adding to your collection. And she has a couple of different dad ones. So there's one with some guns, and then there's another one that has tools, and all of those have been good sellers. I think the fishing one has been my top seller though. So here you can see that I'm done using that thicker pen. So I like to go through with the fine pen. I don't like the extra fine because it's too small and a lot of times it leaks. But the fine works perfect to go through and fix up the details. And then you're all finished.